Alright, I'm going to teach you 3 diabolical Icelandic phrases that you can use in normal conversations to weird people out. They will get worse as we go on. Enginn verður óbarinn biskup. Or in English, no one becomes an unbeaten bishop. It means that you have to go through hardships in life and difficulties in order to reach your goals and succeed. Essentially, no pain, no gain. Að koma eins og skrattin úr sauðalegnum. To come forth like the devil out of the sheep's leg bone. It means that something or someone appears unexpectedly or just out of nowhere. Like a bolt from the blue, basically. It's a very old saying. Last one is my favorite one, and it is Detti mér allar dauðar lýs úr höfði. So surprised and shocked over something that even the dead lice will fall from your head. Really effective if you already have lice and then you chase the person down after saying this for extra effect. Thank you for watching. If you want a part 2 of diabolical sayings, let me know.